I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you questions from previous test paper. Now I've picked up another question from this test paper based on equations of planes. So I divided this test paper into two parts, one equation of lines, the other one equation of planes, and renumbered the questions. Question number 1 now becomes true or false. Justify your answer. A. The line x minus 2 divided by 4 equals to z minus 3 divided by 5 comma y equals to 1 and the point minus 1 to 1 determine a plane. Is it true or false? So let's look into this. Now this particular line gives you direction. So let's write down the direction given by this line. Let's say m1 equals 2. The direction is x is 4, y is 0. You have to follow proper order, right? z5, right? And it also provides you with a point, and the point on this line is given as 2, y value is 1, and z is 3. So you have to be careful since y is written on the other side. So you have to properly look at the equation and then write what information is given to you. Now, so this is the direction and that's the point. So basically what we are given here is a line. So let's say, okay. So what we are given here is a line which is like this, and then 5 is the z value, say something like this. Okay. So we are given this particular line here, right? So that is the direction. And somewhere on this line, we are also given a point, right? So 2, 1, 3. So somewhere, so let me just mark 2, 1, 3 at random. Okay, let's say some point is given to us. Now we are given another point which is minus 1, 2. Now this point will make a plane with this line only if this point is external to the line, right? So important point to note is, let's call this point as P1, we'll call this point as P2. Now if P2 is external to the line, then it will determine a plane. Do you see that? So that is important to know. Now, how do we figure this out? So what you can do is you can find the direction between P1 and P2, right? So that is how you should do it. So we can find what is the direction between P1 and P2. So we say M2 will be, let's say P1, P2. Is it okay? Which is going to be, we could write this direction as, let me write in matrix form, minus 1, minus 2, then 2, minus 1, and 1, minus 3, 1, minus 3. And the direction is minus 3, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus is minus 2. So this direction M2 is very different from that, right? So that really is an external point. Do you get the idea, right? So the direction which you're talking about is indeed, you could take minus outside also. You could write this as this, or you could also write this as 3 minus 1, 2, either way, right? Now these two are different directions, and therefore this will determine a plane. So this is true. Is it okay? So this is true. So that is how you can actually figure out. And if you want, you can write down the equation of the plane also. So the plane will be the point on the line which is given to you, which is 2, 1, 3, right? Plus t times one of those directions, 4, 0, 5, plus s times 3 minus 1, 2, where t and s belongs to real numbers. So that becomes the equation of your plane, right? So I hope that helps you to understand quite a few concepts, and also tells you how to write equation of a plane from given a line and a point. Thank you, and all the best.